Hi everyone, Miss Emily here from the Fairfield Public Library. If you missed our virtual event this week, we made cute cardboard cats. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make one at home. To make a cardboard cat, you will need a thin piece of cardboard. If you have a cereal box, you could use that, a black pen or marker, scissors, tape, some yarn, and one round toothpick. Some optional materials include 3 flat toothpicks, a small pipe cleaner, a piece of copy paper, and a hole punch. So the first thing you need to do is draw your cat shape, and this is the shape that you need. So we've got the cat head, our ears, and then the body, which comes down and then is flat at the bottom. You also want to make 2 front legs, so I've added a line here and here. This middle part will bend back and be part of the stand for our cat, but we'll get to that later. So once you've drawn your cat, you want to cut him out. Here is my cat cut out, and as I mentioned at the bottom here, you just need to do 2 cuts for legs, and then you're going to want to bend that center piece back. So we still want to have it attached, just bent back. So what we're going to do next is take our yarn and flip our cat over and get a little piece of tape to secure the end of our yarn here. There we go, just like that. And then we're going to wrap the yarn around the body of the cat. I'm just trying to keep it lined up here. So once you reach the part that we folded back, you want to stop wrapping the yarn and secure the end. So to do that, I'm going to pick up one of the loops that I created when I was wrapping the yarn. Tuck our end under there and just form a little knot. So just kind of tying off the end of our yarn onto the back. There we go. And then we can cut off any excess. And there's our cat sweater, very cute. The next step is to create a stand for our cat, so that when you put it onto a tabletop, it will stand on its own. So to do that, you will need your round toothpick. And we had saved this flap at the back. You just want to line your toothpick up in the center of that back flap and take a piece of tape and wrap it around to secure the toothpick on there. Now our cat needs a face, so I'm going to take my black pen and draw a face. I also have some eye stickers that I will be using, but if you don't have those, of course, just draw eyes on. So you can decorate your cat however you would like to. I have not added whiskers yet. You could draw on whiskers and your cat would be done and very cute. I added a few additional features to my cat, and one of those was wooden whiskers. So I can show you how to make those now, but again, these are optional. So I've got my 3 flat toothpicks, and what I'm going to do is cut them in half. So I now have 6 little pieces of wood, which will become our cat's whiskers. So I'm going to flip my cat over and take 3 pieces and fan them out like that. Lay them on the back of the cat's cheek here. Get a piece of tape and tape them down. And as you're taping them down, you can rearrange them a little bit to get them exactly where you'd like them. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. So now what I'm going to do is take my black pen and draw on whiskers, connecting them to the wooden whiskers there. And I'm also going to add some of the black pen onto the top of the flat toothpick so that it lines up and matches. There we go. There are my cat's whiskers. Another additional feature would be to add a little speech bubble so that your cat is saying something. So to do that, you will take the small pipe cleaner and you're going to bend part of it down like that. And then in that little area we bent down, you're going to kind of bend half of it back up. So we kind of made a little hook there. Then you want to take your cat, and on the back you're going to tape down the pipe cleaner. So there we go. When I prop him back up, you see we've got the little hook. Now we need our speech bubble. To make the speech bubble, grab a sheet of copy paper and you can draw one. Draw the shape that you would like it to have. Take your scissors and cut that out. You want to take a hole punch and punch a hole in the top. So what we're going to do is hook it onto the pipe cleaner. There you go. So you can write a little message on there, whatever you'd like to have your cat saying, maybe its name. Here is our cute cardboard cat craft. Thank you for watching. Have fun making your own cardboard cats.